Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to send from TrustWallet to TrustWallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to send crypto from one TrustWallet to another, first what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your TrustWallet app. And once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply tap on the search icon on the top right corner of the screen and then simply search for the token that you want to send to other TrustWallet. Let me just select the USDT right here. Now from here what you need to do is just simply tap on send, and then once you are here what you need to do is paste the wallet address you copied from the recipient right here. And once that's done, simply tap on the amount right here and enter in the amount that you want to send. You can tap max to send your full balance as well. And once done, check the amount, recipient address and estimated network fee. Remember, fees depend on the network, and once that's done, simply tap on confirm to send the crypto. The blockchain processes the transaction. Both sender and receiver can track it via transaction history. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.